Hey, what's going on, America? It's your man, Mike Doc Randigan, and I just want to throw this out there to you guys. We're about halfway through the year, and if you have not had your courtesy exterior and roof inspection done for your records, now is the time to do so. By clicking the link below, you can schedule a time for us to come out to your home and do a complimentary full-on exterior inspection of your home. That includes your fascia board, your soffit, your window screens, your gutters. We get up on your roof and make sure that the flashing around your fireplace, the flashing around any of your brick, the caulking is still good and not cracked. We make sure that the roof vents are still in good shape and not in disrepair. We make sure that your ridge line isn't missing any shingles or they're not cracked or in disrepair. So we want to get up there and look at your entire roof, provide you with those photos, so in the event that you do have to file a claim, you can tell your insurance that you've done your due diligence and maintained your property so that they don't deny you for negligence and not maintaining your property. So again, if you guys haven't done it, please give me a call, 214-284-0695, to go ahead and schedule your complimentary exterior and roof inspection of your home.